In this video, I am going to teach you how to use the timeline in Clickup. This is perfect for planning projects visually and managing deadlines. Watch until the end for organizing your work even better. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where your tasks are. Choose a space where you want to use the timeline view. This helps you focus your planning on the right group of tasks. Now in all your tasks, make sure you have a start date and an end date. You can set this by clicking the due date option in each task. Then choose your desired start and due dates for each task and repeat this for all tasks so you don't have any unscheduled ones. This keeps your timeline clean and accurate. Click View at the top of your screen so we can add the timeline view. This will open the different layout options. Choose Timeline and you can customize this view depending on your preference, like adjusting timeframes and grouping tasks. Now you'll see the timeline that you just created, showing all tasks laid out over time for easy tracking. And that's how you use the timeline in ClickUp. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more ClickUp tutorials. See you next time!